In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Walmart orders on Uber Eats. We will walk through everything from opening the app to placing your order so you can follow along in real time. Go ahead and open the Uber Eats app on your phone. On most devices, the icon is black and green and simply says Uber Eats. When it opens, you should see the main home screen with featured restaurants or stores along the top and different categories below. Now sign in to your Uber account. If you already stay signed in, the app will skip this and show your home screen right away. If you see a sign-in prompt, enter your usual Uber email and password, then continue. Once you are signed in, your name and profile icon appear in the corner, and the app can use your saved payment methods and addresses. Next, enter your delivery address. Look near the top of the screen for the address bar. Tap it and either pick a saved address or type a new one. Make sure the pin on the small map matches where you want the Walmart order delivered, because the list of available stores changes with every address. Once set, the home screen refreshes for that exact location. From there, on the home screen, use search. At the top, you should see a search bar inviting you to search for stores or items. Tap inside it to bring up the keyboard and a list of recent searches if you have used the app before. Search for Walmart. Type the word Walmart into the search bar and wait a moment. You will see results begin to appear underneath, sometimes including stores, brands, and specific products. If no Walmart result shows at all, that usually means Walmart does not partner with Uber Eats for that address. If Walmart is available for your address, select the Walmart store. Tap the Walmart result that shows a store label rather than a single product. The next screen loads the Walmart store page, with a logo at the top, delivery estimate, and categories like groceries or household. Now browse groceries, household items, electronics, or other available products. Scroll down to see sections such as popular items and use the category tabs or filters to narrow what you see. As you switch categories, the item list updates right away, and each item tile shows a picture, name, size, and price. Tap an item and choose Add to Cart. When you tap an item, a detail page opens with more information and sometimes quantity controls. Check the size or flavor, adjust the quantity if needed, then tap Add to Cart. After you add it, a small cart icon at the top updates with the number of items. Once you have everything you want, open View Cart. Look for the cart icon or a button labeled View Cart, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tapping it opens a summary page listing each item, quantities, estimated delivery time, and your address. Here, review your items, substitutions, delivery address, fees, and payment method. Scroll slowly through the list to confirm you chose the right sizes and counts. Many Walmart items allow substitution options, telling the shopper whether they can replace an out-of-stock item with something similar. On this same screen, you will see delivery fees, taxes, service fees, and your selected payment method, so you know the full total before ordering. When everything looks good, tap Place Order. After a short moment, you will see a confirmation screen showing that your Walmart order was sent, along with the current status and delivery estimate. You just used the Uber Eats app to find Walmart, build a cart, and place a delivery order to your address. If this helped you get your Walmart order through Uber Eats, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more clear app walkthroughs like this.